In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix laptop not connecting to internet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your Wi-Fi connection not working, or how to fix an Ethernet connection if you are using a cable to connect to the internet on your laptop. So first, start with basic checks. To start, click on the network icon at the system tray and check to see if Wi-Fi is first available, so essentially enabled, turned on, and next check the network that you are connecting into. If you are using Wi-Fi, it's important to make sure that you connect into your own network. Double check the password. If it is incorrect, usually you will connect to the network, but you won't be allowed to use the internet, so always ensure that the password is correct. You can also double check here. If you click on this little arrow, you will be redirected to more details about Wi-Fi. And under network and Wi-Fi, you can see the current status of the network. So if this still did not fix your issue because you either cannot find the network, you connect but it is not giving you internet, and so on, I recommend checking the router. If you are using a cable, ensure that the connection is tight and properly set up, so connect all of the cables to the appropriate ports. Once you have everything connected as needed, you should be able to access the internet right away. You can also use adapters if you notice that your laptop does not have an Ethernet port or your particular one is broken. The point is, you need to make sure that all of the cabling is properly done. You can also restart your router. So if this still isn't working, I recommend power cycling your router. So power it off, give it a few seconds or even up to a minute, and then power it back on again. And you can do the exact same thing with your laptop. Power it off, give it a few seconds or more, and wait for this to finish. If it is still not working, then you can move on to additional steps. So if you have never downloaded the Wi-Fi driver for your particular laptop, this is a crucial step. Now, of course, if you don't have access to the internet on your laptop, you will need to download this driver elsewhere. You could potentially download this on your phone and find a way to transfer it to your laptop, usually by using a cable. You could download it in another computer and then transfer it using a USB flash drive, whatever you prefer. But the point is, you need to find a way to download this driver and transfer it over to your laptop. So you can visit the website for your laptop manufacturer, for example, ASUS, and then select the particular product here. Of course, if you have a different laptop model, for example, a laptop from Dell, you go to the Dell support instead. Find your particular product either by using the model, the serial number, whatever you prefer, and then click on drivers and tools, usually at the right side. Then under driver and tools, you will find the Intel WLAN driver or anything similar. As you can see, this package includes an Intel wireless LAN driver to provide better Wi-Fi connection. So always make sure to download these drivers. They are important, otherwise you will not be able to connect to Wi-Fi. And as long as you update the drivers and you make sure that everything is set up properly, you will be able to connect to the internet, regardless if you use an Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix laptop not connecting to internet. And if this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.